Look at the interval. 17 years and 20 days. Oh my God. So this is an example that he failed to recall. He elapsed that item. No wonders. It's 17 years. That's a lot. So even if it's an item he created himself and is in the advanced English, he actually forgot that. I'm pretty sure he had one repetition since the last labs. So I'm pretty sure this has been outstanding for years. Then he will do something interesting. The priority is about 65%, which in his collection at this time is more than 500,000 positions in the priority queue. He lapsed that element. So what he's going to do, super quick, he sets the priority super high, 33 position, so almost the top position in his collection. So this jump more than 500,000 positions in the priority queue. This is massive. It's a massive jump. Why he did that? Because he lapsed this. His collection is large, but other than that, is that he's outstanding. Now he has 6,200 items in his outstanding queue, and I know he uses auto postpone. So actually, there are more items that are being left. Instead of being left outstanding, they are being postponed through auto postpone, but are not being done. The repetition is not being done when it's scheduled. That means that his priority protection is super low. He won't see that. He will have to do 9,000 repetitions today in order to see tomorrow, or likely to see tomorrow. That's why, if he doesn't increase the priority, substantially increase the priority, in a priority range that is within his priority protection, he's not going to see it. It will be lapsed, the interval will be reset, in this case 1 day, and this will be, boom, left outstanding, waiting for years, until he gets to the priority protection of the prior priority that was 30%, I think. 65. This is close to never. So this flow is relevant because it's very likely that once you see this, is when you do what he did. You do a subset, you intersperse, you do randomize the contents, so this neglects the priority, stuff like this. It's virtually impossible to have a repetition, genuine repetition of this item, 65% priority, using your sorting criteria. Unless your sorting criteria is just pure randomness. That doesn't take into account the priority. So if this happens, that okay, if it was not in this context, it's very likely I will not have seen this, but now that I have seen it, and I know I failed it, I've forgotten, let me increase the priority, because I want to see it again. Or if I don't, that means that, hey, I know I'm sending this element to the oblivion.